In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Calendar in Notion. This is a fantastic way to keep your schedule and tasks in one organized place, making your life a bit easier. Let's dive right in with the process. First, you'll want to get your shareable link from Google Calendar. Go ahead and open Google Calendar in your web browser. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see a list of all your calendars there. Find the calendar you want to embed and click on the ellipsis or the three dots next to it. A menu will pop up. Go ahead and select Settings and Sharing from the options. Next, you'll find yourself in the Settings section for your chosen calendar. Scroll down until you see Access Permissions. At this point, you need to make a decision. If you want anyone to be able to view your calendar, even those not signed in, then you'll need to check Make Available to Public. Remember, if you keep the calendar private, anyone who wishes to view it will need to be signed in. Once you've sorted the access permissions, continue scrolling until you reach the Integrate Calendar section. Here, you have two options. You can either copy the public URL to this calendar if you want a link that people can click on, or you can grab the embed code if you prefer embedding it directly into a web page. Choose whichever works best for you and copy it. With your link or embed code copied, let's switch over to Notion. Open the Notion page where you want the calendar to appear. On your Notion page, it's time to embed. You can do this by typing in a command. Simply type a / followed by the word embed. You'll see an option to select embed. Click on that. A box will appear for you to paste your Google Calendar link or embed code into. Once you've pasted it, simply click embed and voila, your Google Calendar will appear right there on your Notion page. You should see it populate with your events and appointments fully integrated into your Notion workspace. And there you have it, your Google Calendar is now embedded in Notion, keeping everything streamlined and accessible. By embedding your calendar in Notion, you're enabling a seamless view of your schedules alongside notes and tasks that might be relevant to your upcoming weeks. This cohesive setup can help reduce the hassle of moving back and forth between different apps, making your workflow significantly smoother. I hope this guide has been helpful and makes your digital organization a breeze. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching.